So, you want to become a Web3 developer but don't know which programming language to start with? Well, the answer is easy. It's JavaScript and TypeScript. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in another one. Just kidding. While JavaScript and TypeScript are super important, they are not the only languages. And let me break it down for you. Hey there, I'm Mark. A Daryl here at Ryzen. Let's explore the top programming languages every Web3 developer should consider learning. You should know that Web3 development is a lot more than coding. You are building on decentralized networks, working with smart contracts, and handling blockchain-specific tools. And choosing the right programming language can save you countless hours. And we will cover the languages that are used to interact with blockchains, write smart contracts, and build blockchain infrastructure. Before we start listening, I must say that you can't go wrong with any of these languages. Each of these languages serve a specific purpose on the blockchain, but they're also popular out of the Web3 too, meaning you can safely learn them and use them in another ecosystem if you no longer want to continue on Web3. Number 1. JavaScript and TypeScript. I wasn't kidding in the intro. JavaScript and TypeScript really dominate the Web3 development. And TypeScript is a type-safe version of JavaScript, which makes maintaining and writing code easier and safer. This duo is the first choice for most blockchains. As SDKs are readily available, you don't have to write everything from scratch. Whether it's a front-end, back-end, connecting walls, or interacting with a blockchain, they got you covered. In some blockchains like Agoric or even Hyperledger, you can even write smart contracts in JavaScript. What can JavaScript do? It's unbelievable, and its importance in Web3 is undeniable. Number 2. Rust. Rust is a more complex language with a harder learning curve, but its security and speed is top-notch. It is both used for blockchain infrastructure and smart contract development, and it's used in blockchains like Solana, Polkadot, and Cosmos. From Rust, you can even move on to the Move language, which is based on Rust, created by Meta, and used in blockchains like Sui and Aptos. Number 3. Go. Just like Rust, Go is also used for blockchain infrastructure, and its learning curve is similar to Rust. Even the Ethereum's client and the whole Cosmos SDK is written in Go, proving how reliable it can be. Number 4. Solidity. The list will not be complete without Solidity. It is the backbone of Ethereum and other EVM chains. But what is EVM? Ethereum Virtual Machine is a computing environment where all Ethereum smart contracts run. Think of it as the engine that powers all decentralized apps on the Ethereum blockchain and the many more compatible blockchains like Polygon and Avalanche. The downside of Solidity that it has no use case out of Web3. Number 5. Python. Python is a notable mention. It is yet another powerful language that can be used for blockchain interaction. It's also excellent for writing scripts, backend development, and automation. Python's beginner-friendly nature also makes it great for new developers. There is also PyTeal, a Python-based smart contract language on the Algorand blockchain. We have covered the top 5 languages. Well, is this all? What if I know languages like C# and Java? Don't worry, you can still use these languages to interact with blockchains. While some blockchains don't offer official SDKs for these languages, you can build your own tools or infrastructure to make it work. In fact, if you're a C# expert, why not create a SDK for a blockchain and apply for a grant? Web3 is full of opportunities. Each language we have covered brings something unique to the table, from all-round power of JavaScript to building blockchain infrastructure with Rust and Go, and of course, smart contract development with Solidity. We mentioned decentralized apps and smart contracts a lot. If you are curious to dive in deeper into these concepts, we also got that covered. See you around, and as always, don't stop, keep on rising.